So, we're going to talk about adding really big numbers. We have 1,946,425,817 plus 6,362,950,727. So big numbers can be pretty tricky to add sometimes, as we all found out with the first one where we all got different answers. So one thing that a lot of people do, and that is helpful sometimes, is to draw columns on the numbers so that the numbers are lined up on top of each other and they're in the same column. The other thing that's going to be important to do is bring those commas right down. Carry those commas right down with you to make sure that they're also lined up. So the commas can even have a column of their own. Now, the other thing that you want to do before you even get to the columns is when you've copied this problem over, if it's a problem you need to copy, is make sure that the commas are lined up above each other and the numbers in the top problem are lined up in the correct place value with the numbers in the bottom problem. I wouldn't want to line up the 300 million with the 1 billion because then I'd be adding the wrong way. I would accidentally think that this was equal to 3 billion when it's only equal to 300 million. So I'm going to finish drawing my columns. I've got my comma in its own column there. Okay, or you can include the comma with a number as long as it's in the same spot. Okay, so however you choose to do it is fine, as long as it works for you. So, I'm going to do the first one. 7 plus 7 is 14. Down the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Nothing to carry. 8 plus 7 is 15. Down the 5, carry the 1. I'm going to carry it right on top of that 5. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Okay, and since I brought down the comma, the 6 automatically goes on the other side of that comma. There's nothing to carry. 2 plus 5 is 7. Nothing to carry over. 4 plus 9 is 13. Put down the 3, and carry the 1 on top of the 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Put it right there. And then I'm going to do 4 plus 6 is 10. Down the 0, carry the 1. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Put down the 1, put down the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Okay, so I tried to keep everything in the columns, and I'll rewrite this here on a line of its own so that I can see it more clearly without those extra lines in there. And I have 8,309,376,544. Now when you're adding big numbers, it is very, very easy to make mistakes. So you always want to check your work. You always want to either go back through and re-add it, or you could choose to subtract one of these numbers to see if you got the other number. That's another way that you can check adding of really big numbers.